the completed look. This is what we came up with. I just wanted a classic middle part bust down, give it very much grown and sexy. That's what I went for today. And y'all, this hair is so pretty. Like what? Nah, this hair is mad pretty. The lace is amazing. Let's get into the lace. Let's have a moment of silence for this lace. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Like, let's keep it a buck. You guys see the quality. It looks very dark, like it gives jet black. I did not dye it. I bleached the knots, I plucked the unit, and all of those things were very, very easy to do with this hair. Wiggins Hair, I always say, every time I work with Wiggins Hair, I always let y'all know Wiggins Hair is one of them ones. Like, you are going to get quality when you shop with Wiggins Hair. So, y'all, I have nothing bad to say. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. I love, love, love this unit. I love how it came out. The curls are very bouncy. Like, look at how the curls is dropping. Like, what? I love this hair. And y'all, if you want your hair to have body and movement with your curls, you gotta cut some layers in it. Like, stop being scary, cut the layers, get into it. So bomb. So if you guys want to shop with Wiggins Hair and purchase this unit, go ahead and check out the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.